Hello, my name is Price Nelson, and I'm here reporting from McDonald News 1. The first thing I'm going to talk about today is a series of weather phenomena spread all over the country. Today's date is October 1st, and it is around 2 o'clock Eastern Time. Let's go over to our meteorologist, Willow Ritter.
Willow, your meteorologist here. This week looks like it's going to be a cool one. All week we're seeing precipitation in the forecast and this rainy Thursday. We also have an unbelievable amount of strange weather happening all over the country. In Kansas, there is a severe supercell. Several tornadoes have followed that are not only dangerous, but catastrophic. Also, they could cost a lot of money to our economy. And now to our field reporter in this catastrophe, Surya.
That's right, I'm Surya Khatri, reporting here in Kansas, where there is a massive supercell that I am standing here in right now. Can you believe that? Did you know that supercells are usually thunderstorms that contain updrafts about a vertical axis? If you have a supercell in your area, you should be prepared for three major things: high winds, large drops of hail, and tornadoes. Like cancer cells in a living organism, supercells are different from normal thunderstorms. The rotation of their updrafts helps them to overcome the limiting mechanisms that cause deaths. This is Surya Khatri at McDonald News 1, and it's not a beautiful day. Back to you, Bryce.
Hi. Thanks, Surya. I'm sure you are all looking forward to the Ravens game against the Steelers later this week. At the kickoff of the game, on Thursday Night Football, we will have a nice night with a high of 77 degrees and a low of 45. The Orioles have a game on Sunday against the Yankees. It will be a sunny day where the temperatures has a high of 74 degrees and a low of 51, with a 20% chance of isolated storms. We will now send our attention back over to Willow.
What takes place in the U.S. is a tsunami in Hawaii. As you can see from this picture, a tsunami is created by a disturbance underwater. Now we'll hand it over to Maggie, our field reporter for this event.
Thanks, Willow. I'm Maggie Lee, here in Hawaii, where there is a tsunami on its way. A tsunami can start off as a wave only a few inches high and can go up to 100 feet. They come in a series, and they could strike anywhere. Do not, I repeat, do not go down to the beach. Move up to high land. The first wave can come any minute before or after the warning. Tsunamis can be affected by the domain of the ocean floor. Be careful out there. Back to you, Price, in the station.
There's a hurricane down in Florida that is heading up the coast. I'll hand it over to you, Willow, to tell us a little more about that.
Thanks, Price. The hurricane is a Category 3 hurricane with wind speeds up to 108 miles per hour. It is heading up the eastern coast, but is suspected to veer off into the ocean, so nothing should be affected. Now handing it off to Surya in Florida.
Thanks, Willow. This hurricane seems pretty nasty.
Boom!
And I advise all you viewers to find an interior room in your house. Stay away from windows, and if you have a basement, I would definitely try to get it in.
Boom!
That's my advice on what to do with this hurricane. This hurricane is named Laura. I mean, I know it's not that scary, but don't test it. They named the hurricane from 6 lists in alphabetical order and alternates from girl to boy, boy to girl. So the next one, hopefully we won't have, is going to be a boy. Now let's send us back up to Willow to tell us our last weather events.
The tornado that formed in Oklahoma is just touched down. Let's hand this over to Maggie, who is at the scene of the tornado.
Thanks, Willow. This tornado is not good news. A tornado forms from thunderstorm. When warm air from the Gulf of Mexico and cool, dry air from Canada comes together, it forms a tornado. This tornado has just become visible because it has turned into a condensation cube, which consists of water droplets, dust, and waste. Now, handing it back to you, Bryce, in the studio. Bryce, back to you.
Thanks, Maggie. Unfortunately, she's right. We are going to have to wrap up the show here. Signing off for Willow Ritter, Surya Khatri, and Maggie Lee, I'm Price Nelson, and we'll see you next time on McDonald News 1.
That's right. I'm Saria Country, reporting here in
Boom!
Kansas, where there is a massive supercell that I'm standing right now in.
Boom!
Did you know that supercells are usually thunderstorms that contain objects about a vertical axis? It looks like someone's jealous.
Willow, I'm Maggie Lee here in Hawaii, where there is a tsunami on its way. A tsunami can start off.
We're trying to record, guys.
Guys, I'm going crazy! We're trying to record!
You're on?
Hi.
Okay, I'm just going because we're wasting time. That's right. I'm Saria Country, reporting here in Kansas, where there is a massive supercell, as you can tell by my expression. That I'm standing. He just said, "Hey." Right. I'm Saria Country.
Wait, Saria, you have a sticker on your forehead. We have a sticker on your forehead. We need your sticker. We need your sticker. We need your sticker. Saria, you need to take the sticker off.